Looking for reliable janitorial services in Orinda, CA? System 4 San Francisco East Bay has the solutions you need. We provide top-tier janitorial services that help maintain a clean, organized, and safe environment for your staff and customers in Contra Costa County, California. Our team specializes in everything from daily cleaning to advanced sanitation, ensuring your business looks its best. Our janitorial services cover everything from carpet care to window cleaning. We use environmentally friendly cleaning products that are safe for your office and the planet. No matter your industry or building size, we've got the expertise to keep your space immaculate. Looking for customized cleaning schedules? We offer flexible plans that fit your business's hours. With System 4 San Francisco East Bay, you can trust us to create a welcoming, spotless environment for everyone who enters. Contact System 4 San Francisco East Bay at 925-592-6001 or visit us at https:/system4norcal.com. Janitorial services or Indica, commercial cleaning, facility management, and janitorial services. Keeping your business sparkling.